Now, here it is. Not another hype prediction, but a reality that is going to happen soon. Cardano to $14. Marching into 2023, the crypto industry was upbeat about its performance, betting big on government rules and increasing awareness among the general public about its potential as a store of value. This was highly expected. After dealing a significant financial blow in 2022, it is just normal for the crypto industry to hope for a strong rebound this year, as new regulations come into force, making the cryptocurrency space more secure. The goal was that more people become aware of cryptocurrencies and the technology that underlies them. The number of people using these assets will likely to continue to grow, thus leading to increased adoption by businesses and individuals, which could drive the demand for cryptocurrencies. Then, there was an overflow of mouthwatering predictions. Some experts predicted that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 by the end of 2023. This would represent a significant increase from its current price and could be driven by factors such as increased adoption, positive market sentiment, and technological leaps. Another prediction was that Bitcoin could experience a sharp decline to around $12,000. This bearish outlook was based on concerns about regulatory crackdowns, market manipulation, and potential technological vulnerabilities. However, the most unbelievable and outrageous prediction was that Bitcoin could skyrocket to $1 million by the end of 2023. While this seems far-fetched, some analysts believe that the limited supply of Bitcoin and increasing demand from institutional investors could lead to exponential growth in the cryptocurrency's value. According to others, Bitcoin could stabilize and trade within a narrow range, such as $40,000 to $60,000 by the end of 2023. This scenario would see Bitcoin becoming less volatile and potentially more appealing to mainstream investors. The main gist is that there are top experts stuck with Bitcoin to the bone. Of course, it is the large cryptocurrency by market capitalization, but shouldn't some predictions be curtailed? For example, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood has had a long-standing prediction that Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. Recently, she backed up her predictions, scooping up 19.9 million of crypto stock known as Block. In a conversation with Bloomberg in November 2022, Wood backed up her claims that Bitcoin could reach $1 million. She emphasized Bitcoin's strong performance despite challenging market conditions and noted that institutions might be comfortable buying once they learn what was going on with Bitcoin. Laying a stake to the claims, ARK Invest acquired 19.9 million of Block shares. Well, Cathie Wood is not the only high-profile individual to provide a $1 million Bitcoin price prediction. Entrepreneur and former Coinbase Chief Technical Officer Balaji Srinivasan also eyes the $1 million mark for Bitcoin. Back in March, Balaji issued a wager predicting the collapse of the US economy and for Bitcoin to reach $1 million within 90 days. Although he had already closed his bet, losing $1 million in the process, Balaji remains optimistic that Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million. And then we have the MicroStrategy founder and executive chairman, Michael Saylor, who believes that the crypto industry will consolidate around Bitcoin following the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase. In an interview, Saylor said that regulators don't have any love for crypto tokens and have taken a narrow perspective on what a crypto exchange should be. He continued, "Their view is crypto exchanges should trade and hold pure digital commodities like Bitcoin," he told Bloomberg. And so the entire industry is kind of destined to be rationalized down to a Bitcoin-focused industry, with maybe half a dozen to a dozen other proof-of-work tokens. Bitcoin's dominance has grown in recent months, making up about 48% of the crypto market, compared with 43% at the end of February. In this regard, Saylor thinks that Bitcoin's dominance could eventually reach 80%. However, that could put exchanges in a tough spot. US-based Coinbase is trying to diversify revenue streams away from an over-reliance on trading fees as regulatory pressure has decreased investor interest. So if Bitcoin's dominance grows, trading alongside a smaller stable of peers could further deepen top-line numbers. Saylor brushed off any potential threat to exchanges should there be a consolidation around Bitcoin, insisting they will still have a key role to play in the industry, although several exchanges and companies in the crypto space are looking abroad. In May, Coinbase launched an international exchange in Bermuda, and other companies have noted that they are looking for a foothold in Hong Kong as China may be warming up to crypto. Saylor added that many investors are confused or put off by the vast array of available cryptocurrencies, as they are more likely to invest in the sector if it becomes more Bitcoin focused. Michael Saylor made these claims around the period when Bitcoin had a 4.5% slump to below $26,000 because of the SEC lawsuits. Nonetheless, Saylor, a longtime proponent of Bitcoin, remained unshaken. Eventually, I have confidence that the crypto exchanges will come around to realizing that Bitcoin is the dominant asset in this space, and their business models are fine when Bitcoin goes up by a factor of 10, Saylor said. So now on to Cardano. Who is going to vouch for that cryptocurrency? Does Cardano have anyone cheering it on? Well, so far, a crypto enthusiast and founder of crypto capital venture, Dan Garbardello, has displayed a faithful commitment to Cardano's bullish future. Never seen anyone like him. Recently, Dan Garbardello tweeted that Cardano underperforms in bear markets and outperforms in bull markets. According to his analysis, this is a recipe that makes him excited about ADA with perfect ingredients for any value investor. And there are more reasons for believing in the upcoming triumph of ADA on the market, which are its fundamentals and the DeFi season Garbardello expects to start soon. Also, he predicted that the minimum all-time high for Cardano in the next bull cycle might be $7.80. When compared to the current ADA pricing, this represents almost a 2,400% increase. If ADA does decide to rally in this manner of its 2020-2021 rally by notching 2,900% gains, it might reach $8.40 at the very least. But not $14? Last year, Garbardello said that if ADA reaches $10, Cardano's market valuation will only be approximately $330 million. Earlier, Garbardello had stated that ADA is on the cusp of a breakout, that a massive price surge is in the works, and it is quietly establishing itself as the most durable, safe, and versatile blockchain. He tweeted that they are seeing the Cardano blockchain develop, and one venture, which functions as a community-run platform, is playing a vital role in that development. Furthermore, according to crypto analytics firm Messari, the Ethereum competitor, Cardano, displaying conflicting trends in the second quarter of 2023. In a new analysis, the analytics firm notes that Cardano clocked an average of 57,881 daily decentralized application transactions, an increase of 49% compared to quarter one. The Cardano blockchain also registered $151.7 million in total value locked at the end of quarter two, a near 10% increase from the end of the first quarter. Now, Cardano ranks 21st among all chains in terms of TVL, up from 34th at the beginning of the year, according to Messari. Since TVL of a blockchain represents the total capital held within its smart contracts, Cardano ADA seems to be in for a good time. With an increase in dApp transactions and TVL, Cardano has also witnessed declining non-fungible token activity. The project clocked 2,945 average daily NFT transactions in quarter two, a decrease of 35.7% on quarter-over-quarter basis. Cardano's total NFT quarterly trading volume was $46.2 million, a decrease of 41.9% compared to quarter one. Messari noted that these downward NFT trends are in line with the broader market. But in these times, there's still plenty of bullish analysts. Recently, Cardano analyst Ali believes that Cardano has the potential to pull off a 2,900% bull run, as it did after consolidating between 2018 and 2020. Ali remarked that the price of Cardano saw a period of stagnation between 2018 and 2020. This period saw ADA prices oscillate between 10 cents and 2.8 cents, a trend that lasted for 665 days. Following this long accumulation phase, a 2,985% bull run took off. He tweeted, #Cardano. Between 2018 and 2020, ADA oscillated between 10 cents and 2.8 cents for 665 days. Then, a whopping 2,985% bull run took off after the long accumulation phase. Fast forward to now, ADA seems trapped in the 46 cent to 24 cent range, already for 329 days. If history and price action give any clues, minus the unpredictable COVID crash, we might see ADA breaking free around February of 2024. The key takeaway? Patience often pays in the crypto market, and those willing to wait will be rewarded. We think that this is enough to calm our nerves down. At the moment, ADA appears to be stuck between the 46 and 24 cents range. But if history and price action are any indication, Ali believes that ADA might see a breakout around February of 2024. However, this magnitude of price surge after this breakout remains a hanging question. But now, we throw it over to you. What do you expect to be Cardano's fate by the end of the year and into 2024? Of course, that's going to be the end for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.